said. This scene teaches the viewer that 6 repetitions of the drop test were all it took for the conventional sole to fail structurally. Precision matters in recycled material processing. The shoe sole requires specific granule size, rejecting particles that are too large or too small. This scene demonstrates that the binder is the critical bridge in the manufacturing process, because recycled rubber alone will not hold its shape. This scene teaches that heat and pressure complete the chemical bond, and the loose granules that were once individual tire particles This scene proves that quality checks happen immediately after manufacturing, and this sole has already survived more mechanical stress than a conventional sole. This scene demonstrates that adhesive alone is not trusted to hold the shoe together, and the stitch is backup reinforcement and insurance built into every pair.
This scene reveals that even the laces are made from recycled materials, and every single component of the shoe has a prior life.
This scene demonstrates that human eyes still make the final quality call, because machines can measure dimensions, but humans must judge.
entrance. The economic argument is simple. One recycled tire shoe lasts as long as 3 pairs of conventional ones, proving the sustain.
This is the winner. Your move.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.